Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty barbecue beans. I'm going to use regular Campbell pork and beans. My friend gave me this recipe because she didn't like my barbecue beans. She really insulted my barbecue beans, but I couldn't really blame her because it didn't taste good. So I tried her recipe and I actually liked it. It's so great recipe. I treasure it. Well, let me get started. You will need 2 cans of pork and beans, molasses, mustard, and barbecue sauce. 1.5 tablespoons molasses, 1 teaspoon mustard, 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce. These are the 3 items you need to add to the beans. It doesn't matter which one goes in first. After you add it, you mix them really well. Then heat it up. Now your barbecue bean is ready. It's so easy and so tasty. I hope you liked my video.